There's thousands of apps in the Shopify app store, and the truth is that most of them are just gimmicks. A lot of them are gonna slow you down, and only a select few of them are actually gonna make you money. And I know this because I've tested hundreds and hundreds of apps while building my own businesses, specifically my own beauty brands, to over $3 million in sales. And one of the biggest lessons that I've had is that more apps don't necessarily mean more money. In fact, the more sales that I was making, the more success that I was having with my business, the more that I realized that I didn't need a bunch of apps in my Shopify store. I was just paying for a bunch of subscriptions for apps that I didn't even need or I didn't even know how to use. So in this video, I want to break that down because there's specifically only 3 types of apps categories that you're going to need. And so I want to break that down for you because once you understand these categories, then you'll always know which apps to use. Most importantly, when to use them, because the last thing you want is to be paying for apps that your business is not even ready for yet. And so every app that makes you money, you guys, is going to fall into one of these 3 categories. You're going to have apps that bring in customers that are going to help you acquire. You're also going to need apps that are going to get those customers to buy, so that are going to get them to convert. Then you're also going to need apps that are going to help you keep those customers, so to retain. Those are essentially the 3 categories of apps that you're going to need. And if an app doesn't help you with one of these here, you guys, then you do not need it. So I want to go over those apps. All right. And so here we are, you guys. This is going to be my Notion dashboard. By the way, you can find the link to this page right below this video. It's going to have all the links that you need in case you want to go with the apps that I recommend after the video. So again, we have 3 categories, you guys. Apps that bring in customers that are going to help you acquire. You're going to have apps that are going to get those customers to actually buy and not just browse around, so that are going to help you convert. And then you're going to need apps that are going to get those people to come back and make purchases again and again. So acquire, convert, and retention. Those are the main 3 categories. And once you understand this, then you always know how to make the right decision for your business depending on where you are. So let's talk about apps that are going to bring in customers that are going to help you acquire. By the way, if no one is coming to your store, if you're not making any money, the first apps that you're going to need are those apps that are going to help you with traffic, right? So there's different stages within your business. And depending on the stage that you are in right now, then that's going to help you make the right decision. Because, you know, if you're making $10,000 per month, right, then at that point, you're going to need some apps that are going to help you retain those customers, right? You probably have some traffic channels already. So your focus, or one of the focus that you should be having, is to, okay, how do I find a way to make sure that those people that are buying from me come back the next month and the next month and the next month after that, right? But again, if you don't even have traffic in your business, then you shouldn't be worrying about how to retain your customers. Make sense? So all of these things, you guys, are going to go in stages depending on where you are within your business, which is in turn going to help you make the right decisions for your business as well when it comes to installing these apps. So again, these are going to be apps that are going to help you acquire, you guys. So this is going to be the Facebook and Instagram app. And then you also got the TikTok one. So the TikTok app is going to help you get started with TikTok Shop, which is one of the biggest opportunities of our lifetime, hands down, you guys. TikTok Shop will get you free sales by showcasing your product to be discovered in their marketplace. And then we also got the Google and YouTube app as well. So this app is going to help you sync your products so that they're actually discoverable on Google using the Merchant Center. So when people search for specific products on Google, and if you want for your products to potentially show up, then you're going to need this app right here. And so this is also going to help you set up correct tracking for targeted traffic to your store. Now, the Facebook and Instagram one is also going to help you set up the right tracking for your store. Like if you want to run paid ads, then it's also going to help you do all of that. And then also if you want to sell your products through the Facebook and the Instagram shop, then this is also going to facilitate that process for you. Okay, so you're going to need the Facebook and Instagram, TikTok, and then the Google on YouTube if you're just starting your business, or maybe you just don't have consistent traffic coming into your store. Okay, some of these are going to help you generate sales organically, and some of these like Facebook and Instagram are going to help you once you're ready to start running paid ads. So now let's talk about the apps that are going to get them to buy. Okay, now you have traffic, so you're sending people to your website. Let's make sure that we have the right systems in place to actually get them to pay you, and pay you a lot. We don't want them to spend money on one product. We want them to buy multiple of our products, because that's how we're going to be increasing our AOV, our average order value. Okay. Again, once traffic is coming in consistently, you guys, the next step is making sure people actually buy and that they buy a lot instead of just clicking around and leaving. So the first app that I'm going to be recommending is an upsell and cross-sell app. Okay. So the one that I recommend is Upsell and Cross-Sell by Sell Easy. So this is going to help you showcase and sell different products on top of what the customer is already interested in to get a high average order value. Okay, so when it comes to upsells and cross sells, you guys, we're trying to sell more products to that customer on top of what they're already interested in buying, right? So I also recommend the Monsters Cart Upsell Plus Free Gift. This one is going to help you optimize your cart page, your cart, or your drawer cart. Okay, this you're going to be able to offer BOGO deals, frequently bought together, one-click upsells, progress bars to unlock free shipping, gifts, and other discounts. You can fully customize this as well. So all of the optimization with this app is going to be happening within the cart, with the drawer cart. Okay, so the Sell Easy app is going to help you optimize your product pages. The Monsters Cart Upsell is going to help you optimize the cart page. Then you're also going to want to have a one-click upsell. So this is a post-purchase upsell app. And so this is going to happen after someone buys something from your online store after they're already paid. With this app, you're going to be able to immediately offer an additional product after they have already paid you for one order, because this is when the customer is in that buying mindset already, right? So this is when you can get them to purchase again. So this is going to also encourage them to add more to their order again, even after they already paid you, right? So this is going to help you increase your sales without any risk of them abandoning their cart, because again, they already paid you. So again, we're still talking about converting. So another way that you're going to be able to convert those visitors into actual paying customers is by using email and SMS marketing, right? But before you actually start using email and SMS marketing, there's a few systems, a few optimizations you want to do to your page in order to be collecting those people, okay? 97% of the visitors that go to your website are not going to purchase that first time that they go there. So again, we're going to be setting up the systems to follow up and bring them back and convert them from interested prospect to actual paying customers. But again, before we do that, we need to collect their information. So Just Uno is the app that I recommend for pop-ups, you guys. This tool is going to help you turn strangers into actual subscribers. It's a fully customizable pop-up builder designed to grow your email list, making it easier to re-engage and convert them in the next step, which is when we're going to be talking about the app that it's going to help you optimize your email and SMS marketing effort. So the other app that you're going to need to help you convert visitors into actual paying customers is customer support, you guys. Very straightforward. For that, I recommend the Shopify Inbox. This tool is going to help you answer customer questions in real time so that they don't leave your site without making a purchase. There's a ton of apps when it comes to customer support, you guys. A lot of them are like $60, $80. Trust me, you do not need any of those, okay? You don't. Shopify Inbox is the best app for customer support. Then another app that it's going to help you convert visitors into strangers, it's a reviews app. For that, I recommend the Judge.me products review app, and reviews play a crucial role in conversions by building trust. I'm sure you already know this. This is going to help you provide social proof and reduce that hesitation that people are going to have, making potential customers more confident in their purchasing decision. Okay, and another basic app that you're going to need is the free shipping app, or not the free shipping app, but a free shipping banner, okay, a free shipping bar to be specific. So this app is a free shipping threshold bar that encourages customers to add more products to their cart by showing how close they are to unlocking free shipping. This is going to increase average order value and boost sales. So when you're adding things to cart, maybe you're shopping online and the little bar on top of the website says, oh, just add $10 more for free shipping, and then you add something else and now it says just add $3 more for free shipping, right? So a lot of people, specifically in the beauty industry, they're more willing to add more things to cart than to actually pay for shipping, even if shipping is like $5. They'd rather spend 15 and save those $5 on free on shipping than to pay for shipping on the site at checkout. Makes sense? So these are going to be the apps that are going to help you convert strangers, you guys, and also get them to buy a lot on your website, not just a little bit. Like, again, we want people spending a lot. So now let's talk about the apps that are going to get them to buy again and again, which is going to help you with retention. So once you have steady flow of customers and they're actually buying and buying a lot how we want them, the next step is to make sure that they actually keep coming back, right? So for that, we're going to be using email and SMS marketing and potentially some subscriptions if you have a product that allows for that. So for that, I recommend Klaviyo hands down. Do not use anything else. You're going to be using Klaviyo for email and SMS marketing. So Klaviyo is going to allow you to set up automated marketing flows like the abandoned cart recovery sequence, abandoned checkout reminders, browse abandonment, follow-ups, welcome automations. So this is going to help you convert and retain customers on autopilot. You're also going to be using Klaviyo to send one-time campaign for product launches, holiday promotions, restocks, and even special offers. This is going to give you the ability to generate revenue from your list anytime that you want. Anytime that you want to make money, you send an email and text message and you make money. So these apps are actually going to help you make money, you guys. You're going to find the links to all of these apps down below. So now let's talk about the subscription apps that I recommend, which is the Absol Subscriptions app, you guys. So this app is going to help you set recurring purchases on your store. This way, customers can subscribe to receive products regularly on schedule. And this approach is going to encourage customers to return automatically without you having to send an email or text message, which is also going to provide a steady stream of sales for your business. So again, I hope this video has been helpful, you guys. The links to all of this is down below. Again, don't forget to subscribe if you want more help growing your business. So I'll see you on the next video.